Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about Magnific AI versus Topaz AI versus Krea AI, which is the best imaging enhancing tool. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you're looking to upscale, enhance, or refine your images using AI, you've probably heard of these three. Each tool claims to deliver stunning results, but which one is truly the best for your needs? Now, I'm going to go ahead and break them down by their strengths, limitations, and ideal use cases. All right, let's see. Go ahead and start with Magnific AI. It's relatively new, but it made a splash in the AI art and creativity community. It stands out feature, which is creative upscaling. Unlike traditional upscalers that just sharpen or denoise, Magnific AI hallucinate extra detail, adding textures, lighting, nuances, and even refining hands, eyes, and faces with artistic flair. You can even prompt it to lean towards realism and stylization. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about the strengths. So it's great for AI generated art and digital illustrations, adds details that weren't there rather than just cleaning up. It's prompt controlled results similar to text to image workflows, but there are some limitations. So it's not ideal for strict photorealistic needs like professional photography, can occasionally invent details incorrectly. So for example, it might give you extra fingers, wrong textures, etc. This is best for digital artists, AI art upscalers, and those looking to stylize images, not just enhance them. Alright, so now let's talk about Topaz AI. It's the most mature and polished option for professional photo and video enhancement. It includes tools like Topaz Photo AI, Gigapixel AI, and Video AI. This suits users deep learning to upscale images while preserving realistic detail. This is perfect for photographers or videographers working with low res, noisy, or slightly out of focus content. Strengths: industry grade upscaling for real world images, excellent diagnosing and sharpening with control, great for video enhancement too, but it does have some limitations. For example, it's got less creativity or style flexibility, doesn't generate or hallucinate new artistic elements, and heavier software, so install required but not browser based. This is best for photographers, videographers, and professionals needing clean, high res output from real world images. Alright, so Krea AI blends creativity enhancement with a strong focus on design and generative art refinement. While not as famous as the other two, it's popular among graphic designers and AI creators refining mid-journey or stable diffusion outputs. Krea shines in real-time image refinement, style transfers, and design editing, and it supports prompt-based refinements, allowing for creativity input similar to Magnific, but often with more structure. The strengths: great for real-time style editing and re-rendering, powerful turning rough AI sketches into polished art, creative controls for stylization, color, and texture. There are some limitations, so this is not suitable for photographic upscaling or realism, still growing in terms of feature depth and resolution output. This is best designed for creators, designers, and those working with AI art looking to polish or iterate quickly. Alright, so which tool is best? So you choose Magnific AI if you're working with AI generated art and want detailed creative enhancements. Topaz AI if you're a professional photographer or videographer seeking real world image clarity. Or Krea AI if you're a designer or creator looking for flexible real time refinement with stylization control. Each tool excels in its own domain. There is no one size fits all, but knowing your goals makes the choice clear.